Hello everybody, I want to answer a question with this video. Many people have asked me if it's possible to transfer the apps from the internal storage to a microSD card with a Huawei P10 or the Huawei P10 Lite or P8 Lite, the version of 2017. And I'm very sorry guys, it is not possible. So you cannot transfer some apps from the internal storage to the microSD card. You can transfer other data like videos or some pictures or music. All these kind of data you can transfer from the internal storage to the microSD card, but it's not possible to transfer apps. Yeah, I hope I could answer a question with this video, and I hope you don't give me a thumbs down. Also maybe if you feel disappointed now, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe until next time. Ciao!